Hi, Marco Ramondo with R Washers out of Kemah, Texas. We have a video here for you today where we're finished with the power washer we just built. It's going to be a custom build. It's going to be 3,600 PSI at 8.5 gallons a minute with a 27 horsepower Kohler with the Comet TWS 8035 pump. And the water is getting almost 200 degrees consistently at 8.5 gallons a minute. We're doing this with the SDC burner. It's going to be a larger one that burns at about 550,000 BTUs. And I was going to go ahead and show you the results of the machine and how it's operating with the thermostat and with the pressure gauge. So we'll go ahead and show you now. So I just wanted to show you all that. It's we do custom build fabrication on power washers, and it's always real exciting whenever we have something that we haven't built before. I'm going here next to our bathroom because this is the only place where I don't feel like the motor's muffling out my voice. But if you ever have any questions on custom build machines, give us a call at 713-203-4094. Visit us at www.rwashers.com, and we also now have an online store called washmart.com. There's no 3 W's, it's just washmart.com. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email at rwashers@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.